St. Rose at Lima.
Buenos días, los todos. Me llamo Daniel Ricos. Soy representar Guatemala. Guatemala remained a Spanish colony for nearly 300 years before gaining its independence in 1821. It was then a part of the Mexican Empire until becoming fully independent in the 1840s.
And from Costa Rica, we have Boname Santos of St. Monica.
Hola a todos, mi nombre es Boname Santos. Actuar ang representasyon País de Centroamérica. Feliz días a todos. País de Centroamérica is a small country located at the center of the American Gracias.
Gracias. And from Nicaragua, we have Filomena Marie Garcia of St. Maria Goretti.